Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a warehouse on the GoodX Web App. Warehouses store items either in a single large space or in segmented areas such as a pharmacy or bulk storage rooms. Billing occurs from a central service center connected to each warehouse, monitoring the movement of items within the warehouse. Multiple service centers can be linked to a single warehouse, but not vice versa. In this video, we will start on a stock setup screen. Click on a warehouse tab. The warehouses screen will open. The warehouses screen will contain a list of all the warehouses set up for this practice. To add a warehouse, click on the Add New button. The stock warehouse screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. Click on the description field to fill in a name for the warehouse you wish to create. Complete the physical address where the warehouse is actually located. Click on the stock category drop-down menu and select the type of stock this warehouse will contain. Select the Use Warehouse as default when receiving stock checkbox in order to set this specific warehouse as the main warehouse. We will briefly go over the negative stock rule options presented on the screen. The rule of no negative stock ensures that when items are sold or removed from the warehouse, the system prevents the stock from going into negative quantities when there are no more items available. The Allow No Warning rule means that stock can enter negative quantities without a warning being issued. Allowing with warning means permitting the stock to enter negative quantities, but a warning will appear, advising you that the stock will go into negative. Select the relevant negative stock rule you wish to apply to your practice. Check the warehouse active for this entity checkbox to make the warehouse active when stock is received. Please note that this warehouse will only be active for this particular entity. Once satisfied with the information completed, click on the Save button. The newly created warehouse will now be displayed on a stock setup screen.